Hello, Dr. Deepthi. Welcome to my presentation. And today I have a nice app. I don't know whether you are familiar with Google Jamboard. Have you heard of Jamboard? You heard? Oh my God! So I don't have any new tools right now. Oh, okay, fine. So it's okay, no problem. Or else you have to bear up with me. Okay. Okay, let me begin my presentation. So, Jamboard is really very nice. I mean, just like that, the other thing we do, that the what we call Padlet Wall. So, Padlet Wall is very much like Jamboard. Let me share my screen. So, by the way, what about Google? I mean, Microsoft Teams. No, what do you think about Microsoft Teams? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. So it's really good because we have so much possibilities to explore there. Let me go ahead with my okay. So I hope you can see my screen right now. Can you see my screen? Okay. So 1 minute. So let me go to Google. Google. And when you go to Google, you have the application dots here on the right. And when you click that, you can find lots of applications. Okay, and if you come further down, so here I have managed this is the Jamboard icon, and when you click Jamboard, the Jamboard appears. Let's see how it comes up. So this is the Jamboard. So these are the Jamboards I have created so far. So we need to create a new Jamboard, so you can click the plus icon here. Okay. Okay, when you click the plus icon, 1 second. When you click the plus icon, the new Jamboard comes up. 1 second. Let me. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Yeah, this is the new Jamboard. This is the new Jamboard, and on the left you can see so many tools. So we have the pen tool, with which so it's very much like the kind of whiteboard we use. We can use this pen to write something, to draw lines, to draw images like that. And, and this is one advantage because you can create as many boards as you like. You just click. So we have one board here, and if you click this arrow here, you're creating one more board. And when you click it once more, you create. So we have three boards here. You can have as many boards as you like, and these boards can be made for collaboration. Maybe used for collaboration, collaborative activities. So this is the one tool we have just clicked, pen icon. So here we can select the size, color, all these things. So you can select different colors. You can think about the type of brush or pen you like. So these are all various possibilities with the pen. The next one is erase. Erase is also, we know what erase, what we can do with eraser. And this next tool is the selection tool. Selection tool, we can come to selection tool after clicking the sticky note one. Sticky notes. Have you used sticky notes? Hi, just like this. Let me use one sticky note and save it on the board. So I have created one sticky note, and if I click the selection tool, I can move it around anywhere I like. So I can even maybe think of tilting it a little. So whatever shape I like, we can manipulate with it. We can edit it. We can duplicate it. You can make one more sticky note. You can enlarge it if you want. So these are all various possibilities with this Jamboard. And here, when you click this icon, this tool, this is the tool for us to upload our images. You can upload your images. You can search Google. You can go to Google Drive and upload, or you can even go to recent pages. So we have numerous possibilities possible with Jamboard. And this one, the last one. Okay, this is Malayalam. I hope you're familiar with Malayalam letters. Okay, so this is the laser icon. If you want to pointer, we use pointers, lasers. So we can click this and show this, use this to point out the area we want to highlight. And so these are all things we can do with the tools on the left. And if you go up, there are other tools. Let us see what are the other tools. Just click the three dots, more actions. So you can rename your Jamboard. So we haven't named it, so you can rename it as tools. Okay, online tools. Okay, so I have just renamed it. Renaming is really possible by clicking the three dots. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so you can download it as as PDF. If you click this, you can download it as PDF. You can save it as a frame like that. You can remove the like items, Jamboards, clicking like here. You can make a copy. You can send feedback. So all these are possible by clicking these things. What else? Let us see what else we can do here. So 1 minute. So what are the possibilities you think? Maybe you don't have, because you are dealing with higher levels of students and not like the classroom activities. You don't have to, maybe you don't have to think about these things, but still, for us who are practicing with classroom activities, may these tools may be of great help. Okay, and let's see. You can share your Jamboard. You can share your Jamboard by clicking, like other applications too. We can share our Jamboard. Just type the email ID here and click the done link. Okay, so this is another possibility, and you can also get the link, copy link. You can just copy the link and send it to people you like. So Jamboards are wonderful tools for teachers. Uh, okay, yeah. Sorry, you can attend your phone, please. Okay, so these are all right now about Jamboards. So I hope you got a rough idea of what Jamboards are. Okay, uh, yeah, please. Yeah, so yeah, it's a good question. So in my classroom, maybe I like to introduce vocabulary, new vocabulary. For example, I am going to teach a new lesson. There may be a couple of new words. I just type it on the sticky notes and paste it there. So when I go to the classroom, I project this Jamboard on the screen, so that these things would look like really interesting. And if you could apply some sort of creativity, the students would really enjoy going through the new vocabulary. And I even use it for maybe brainstorming. Maybe when I introduce new discussion topics, I just give a rough idea, maybe a hint or something like that, so that students could come out with their ideas, their thoughts. It will trigger their, thinking process like that. Okay, then these are the possibilities. And see, when we are using only the notebook and when the usual platforms, when we use these technological digital platforms, students would really get the benefit of applying their creativity. Just like mind maps, we were talking about the mind maps. These Jamboards, with Jamboards, we can create digital graphical representation. So graphical representations are really very useful. Students can retain things in their brain with these tools. So technology, I think technology has maybe taken maybe so much burden from us. They are so much helpful when we're dealing with students in the real classrooms. Okay, And I think even with adults, senior leaders, students like the one you are doing, maybe you are engaged in activities dealing with teachers, or maybe in production or something like that. Maybe some more serious activities. There too, you could think of implementing these tools. I think maybe I don't know whether you how you will find it useful, but I think there are possibilities, lots of possibilities. Okay, then anything else you like to share with me so that we can. Yeah, okay, you can create posters, and maybe your programs or something like that. You can create small posters or things like that using these Jamboards and share with the participants, maybe for training purposes and all those things. Maybe you could think of using these things. Okay. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Let me stop my recording, and I'll be. If you won't mind, I need 10 more minutes for that. I need. Okay, if you don't mind, with your permission. Yeah, sure, sure. It's StreamYard. Okay. Thank you for being with me. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.